Introducing the Lisle 62-250 filter wrench and socket set 10-piece. This set includes cast aluminum end cap wrenches and cold-headed steel sockets to fit most popular domestic and import vehicles. Low-profile 6-point sockets for use on oil and fuel filter canisters when replacing the element. End cap filter wrenches for removing and installing spin-on oil filters and canisters. Socket sizes include a 24, 27, 32, and 36 mm. End cap sizes include a 64 mm 14 flute, a 73 mm 14 flute, a 74 mm 14 flute, a 74.5 mm 14 flute, an 84 mm 14 flute, 86.5 mm 16 flute. The Lisle 62-250 filter wrench and socket set 10-piece.